This video helps you master workplace communication. Learn key English expressions you can use on your projects. Follow and learn from our story. It's the countdown to Alex Chen's project deadline. Will he find the correct English expressions to communicate effectively? Alex faces a daunting task: to deliver a critical marketing campaign amidst a whirlwind of cultural clashes and tight deadlines. How does he manage? By mastering direct communication, expressing concerns clearly, and fostering robust collaboration. Discover the power of asking the right questions, the courage to address uncertainties, and the art of turning chaos into a structured success. And learn English expressions you can use. Join us as we unravel Alex's journey, delivering not just a campaign, but a masterclass in workplace communication. Are you ready to transform your professional interactions? Let's dive in.
The scene is the bustling heart of New York City, a city that thrives on ambition, innovation, and, well, let's be honest, a fair share of chaos. It's within this vibrant jungle that our story unfolds, a tale of a young marketing whiz named Alex Chen and a communication conundrum that threatens to derail a groundbreaking project. The story begins with a looming deadline. Alex, a talented employee of Taiwanese descent, he found himself grappling with the American approach to deadlines. It felt like a constant tightrope walk, balancing creativity with the relentless tick-tock of Karen Smith's expectations. Karen, his formidable manager, was a woman known for her sharp wit and even sharper deadlines. This latest project, the marketing campaign for a revolutionary fitness app, was no exception. Alex is becoming slightly anxious and says to himself,
"The launch is just weeks away. I have a vision, a viral launch event, something truly captivating. But a nagging doubt gnaws at me: the development timeline. David Tanaka, the stoic lead developer, hasn't confirmed the final app features. Can I even pull this off?"
The annual performance review has arrived, and this is a dreaded ritual for Alex. This year, it felt like a full-blown interrogation. Karen's questions were like bullets, each one puncturing Alex's confidence. Karen's voice is sharp and demanding.
"Alex, this launch is critical. Where's the campaign strategy? Why haven't you secured any sponsors yet?"
Alex answers nervously.
I'm working on it, Karen. But without a confirmed feature list from David, I can't finalize the marketing details."
Karen's attitude and tone of voice hardened.
"Excuses. This is your project, Alex. Find a way or find a new job."
Desperation can be a powerful motivator. Alex, a man of reserved nature, found himself contemplating the unthinkable. In his culture, direct communication with another colleague without prior email coordination was considered a social faux pas. Yet, the weight of Karen's words hung heavy in the air. With a deep breath and a tremor in his hand, he dialed his colleague David's number. David's voice, devoid of emotion, offered little comfort. It was a masterclass in ambiguity, leaving Alex with more questions than answers.
Don't worry, Alex-san. The app will be ready. Functionality details will come soon. Trust the process.
Trust the process? That's not enough for Karen, but what else can I do?
Now Alex, who is becoming a nervous wreck, reached out to James, a very empathetic coworker, and meets James for coffee. James leans forward in his chair, listening intently as Alex recounts his nerve-wracking phone call with David. A thoughtful expression crosses James's face.
Okay, so David is ambiguous, but we can work around that. Let's brainstorm some potential launch event ideas that are flexible based on the app's features.
Alex's eyes widen with the idea.
Flexible ideas? That's brilliant, James.
Alex goes off to use his imagination and creativity to come up with some more flexible ideas. Now Alex stands confidently in front of Karen, a whiteboard showcasing a dynamic, adaptable campaign concept. Karen's initial skepticism melts away as Alex explains how the campaign can adjust based on the app's final features.
This campaign can highlight the core functionalities of the app regardless of any last-minute tweaks. We can build anticipation and user engagement with interactive elements and influencer partnerships.
Karen smiles and says,
Now that's the kind of initiative I like to see, Alex. This might just work.
Alex worked collaboratively with David and James and figured out how to put on a bustling launch event. People in the crowd gathered around the interactive displays showcasing the fitness app. Alex, James, and Karen were standing together, sharing a well-deserved moment of victory. The launch event was a roaring success. The interactive displays showcasing the fitness app buzzed with activity. A sea of enthusiastic faces surrounded Alex, James, and Karen, their initial anxieties replaced by a shared sense of triumph. Alex, basked in the warm glow of success, felt a surge of pride. He had navigated the cultural minefield, adapted his communication style, and delivered a campaign that resonated. Suddenly, Alex's phone vibrates. He glances down at the screen, his expression clouding over. Just as Alex allowed himself a moment of respite, a bit of unease shook his newfound confidence. His phone vibrated insistently, a stark reminder of the ever-present chaos. He looked down at the screen, his heart sinking as he recognized the sender, David Tanaka. The phone screen displays a single cryptic message, "Urgent fix required, app launch critical function affected." This single line of text shattered the celebratory atmosphere. "Urgent fix required, app launch critical function affected." Panic clawed at Alex's throat. The very foundation of his campaign, the app itself, seemed to be crumbling at the 11th hour. With a sinking feeling, Alex knew this was just the beginning. He had conquered one communication hurdle, but a new challenge loomed. Could he adapt once again, or would this critical flaw unravel his success story?
In this story, what words and expressions in English did you learn? What communication strategies will you use? Watch the video again and take notes. Would you like me to make the next video for this story? If so, type "Make Part 2" in the comments below. Keep practicing your business communication. If you found value in this video, click like and subscribe to be notified about more business English communication tips and strategies you can use. Click the link in the video for other business communications videos to help you in your career.